cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a wig tutorial. Today's hair is sponsored by Himce. It's a 613 body wave lace wig. So this is a transparent lace that is 13 by 6, has a density of 150% and is a 22-inch. So the goodies that we received are a wig cap and this beautiful hair right here. So it has a yellowish color, but I didn't like that, so I went ahead and toned the hair. So I'll be using warm water. So I went ahead and added my purple shampoo. Didn't have anything else to use to mix it, so I went ahead and used my comb. You know, really hardy. Anyways, I went ahead now and dipped the hair. As you can see, it is changing to a much lighter color. So I just let it sit there for like 5 to 6 minutes. So now this is the hair after. So now I'm just going to apply my Ruby foundation cream onto the lace. You know me not wrong for comb my hair with my bald head. So let's get used to that. Watch nice. Watch nice. Now we're going to go ahead and install the lace. So this is how the lace came out after, but it has a little bit of purple color in it. It is just because of the shampoo. So now we're just positioning the lace so that we can get ready to install. I know I haven't plucked the lace, but I'm not a fan of plucking the hairline, because I'm a mess with that. So for now, we're just going to rock it how it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ghost Bond glue. You know, in my installs, I'm not leaving out my tail comb just to spread the glue. So yeah. Now we're going to go ahead and fix it up. Yeah. So now just ensure that the hair is secure, and then are you that? I'm going to go ahead and use my Got to Be Glue freezing spray. Then we're just going to add the headband around the lace so that it can be melted like butter. Alright, so this is me now trying to find the middle part. So for today's style, we're going to try to do a 90s messy updo bun. And this is not a 360 lace, this is a regular lace. So we're just going to fix it up so it looks similar to a 360, you know what I mean. But yeah, after finish parting these two sections, I'm just going to go ahead and use the hot comb to keep it flat. Now we're just going to go ahead and use our wax stick. Now I'm just adding 2 rubber bands to the hair just so that it's not knotted in the others. So it's giving antenna. Yeah, it's giving antenna. But yeah, don't watch that. So now I'm just going to go in with my scissors to cut the lace. So now we're just going to try to get this hair into a bun, and because it's not a 360 hair, we're going to have some leave outs at the back. So now we're going in with the wax stick so that we can have the hair flat. So this is how the hair looks at the back. So now we're going to use elastic band to put the hair in one. Now this is me making the messy bun. And then after this, we're going to go in with our flat iron to curl the ends of the hair. So all this twisting and curling, look at the card. Anyways, when I watch that, no, we're just curling up the top, and then we're going to use a hairpin just to make it into a messy bun, or give it a messy bun look. So now we're going to go in with our wax stick. Then we're just going to go ahead and use our hot comb to give it like a flat look. We're just going to use our flat iron to curl the front of the hair. This one was a bit tricky, but you know, it is what it is. This one came out perfect. Hey, listen, this is not the first time I'm telling you guys that I don't know how to use the flat iron to curl the hair. So just don't feel no way or don't say nothing. If it's me set my hand anyway, it's just that, right? So as you guys can see, this one was a little bit tricky, but I didn't like that. So I went ahead and gave it a next shot. Alright, so this is how it came out, and this is what we're going to work with. So this is the final look, guys. Icy, nice, watch nice. Alright, so yeah, this is the final look, and remember guys to like, share, comment and subscribe.